He was cuffed, compliant, calm. A quiet man, arrested at a block party, not for what he did, but for how he looked. They locked him in a metal box on wheels, no seatbelt, no support. Then, a sudden stop. His neck snapped, his words, "I can't move." What followed was not rescue. It was neglect, humiliation, and a wheelchair dragged across concrete. This is not just a story of recklessness. This is a story of deliberate indifference, where being in police custody became a life sentence.
Okay, we're gonna go walk that way. Diaz is with the 17.
I'm gonna drive that.
You can't. Oh.
Yeah, I'm gonna drive the other way.
All right.
Look at this. Here he is. Oh my gosh. It has to be.
It has to be. 100%.
Yeah, it is.
Yeah.
Yep. That is.
That's exactly it.
What's up, buddy? Hey, can I talk to you? Can I talk to you for a second?
Hold on real quick. What's up? Hold on real quick.
Just hold up, okay?
All right. What's up?
Is there anything on you?
Anything on you?
My phone. What? I'm on the phone for girl. Cover my mouth.
All we're doing is detaining you right this second, okay? Done. Done. Yeah. You got anything else on you? You got gloves on? What's your name? Hey, what's your name? What is your name? Go figure it out down there. What's that?
What's your name? We can do the, yeah, right now, huh?
1573. Right now. I'm gonna call my sister.
He said, please call. He said, call his sister, please. She said she coming.
All right. All right. I know.
No, she come right now. She coming.
She right there, but I know.
He was just on the grill with just.
Exactly.
He was.
Look.
We'll let you know after. You guys do me a
off.
favor going outside. Thank you. We'll let you know everything.
I walked off and my mother called me. You heard? I ain't, literally, I don't know. I didn't argue with nobody. And Liz was with me. Liz with my mother. They was with me.
Sir, I need to ask you if you have.
I'm sorry to hear that.
Sir.
Yo.
Hey, do you have a permit?
Yo.
Do you have a permit, sir?
What the law says.
The law says you need a permit. Yeah.
I'm doing 45.
It don't matter. I know what happened. Chill. I know what happened. Listen. Understand what I'm telling you.
75 of them.
Look.
Yep.
You know what I'm saying? I told
Doing with the 17. Let's see if they get
0585.
We're good. We'll enjoy the rest of the party.
Alright.
We'll do everything else at PD7.
I try to get my license. Big guy. White.
Turn around, we'll go out, let them
I'll meet you. Diaz with the 17. He's good. Just turn around. Do a K-turn.
Hey, yo.
You good?
Hey, yo.
Yeah, I'm going with him. You have it in your trunk, right? Good. Come back, Rob. You're good. Good go. I'll meet you down. I got breach second, threatening second, 1 count, carrying pistol without permit, criminal possession of a firearm, carrying a firearm under the influence, and threatening first. Is that good? I think that's all of them. Hey, buddy. Firearm charges.
Oh, wonderful.
Yeah.
I mean, it's up to you guys. I know we really didn't fight us.
Criminal possession.
Criminal possession because he's a felon. It just supersedes it.
I didn't hear you say that.
So, I went through them. Yep. Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah.
We're just gonna leave those cuffs
That's
on.
fine.
And then he's gonna tell me the tension to hold on to him.
All right, I gotta go down to one.
Or,
Anyway.
I mean, you can go down to one anyways and grab him.
Yeah, cause I just gotta. I'm like,
Yeah, right?
oh yeah.
He's a
Can you
gangster, that's how he like it.
What's up, buddy?
I know how he like it.
Hey, what's up?
No, you're gonna go that way with him.
I don't care.
Anything?
Okay.
Anything?
I know what he likes already.
Oh, okay.
I watch his porn.
Oh,
Yeah, you want baby? All right, come on. That one he's doing.
I would just double lock.
That one he's doing back there. Yeah.
Because it just happened quick.
It burns, yeah.
Something like this with the way that I'm moving you.
Sorry to hear that. Hey.
Hold on, he just
want to
No,
He's
shit
loosening
hurts.
him.
Yo.
He's loosening
It's
his
tight.
booty.
How you listen.
He's doing it right now, look, buddy.
I don't want you to get hurt. That's it.
Look, he's loosening him for you.
Shit.
Trying to help you, buddy.
Your last name on the badge, eh? You worried about you want to get
All
hurt?
right.
Yeah.
Now, how is that now?
Is that better?
How does that feel? You want it a little bit more looser than that?
A little bit. We're trying to
Are you
help you.
being serious or you?
Yeah, no,
Yeah,
we're helping you. We're trying to
No,
help you.
it's still the fucking same, bro.
Okay, all right.
What about now?
Why the fuck would I?
I was wondering if you can move it in there. No, I'm asking
All right.
you. All right. All right. Let me lock it this way. They don't move.
Not gonna fucking.
All right. Let me loosen this one up. All right. All right, my man. Step in there.
All right.
All right. Step right in there.
Got it?
One leg at a time.
One leg
Yeah,
at a
watch
time.
your head.
Watch your head. All right.
Yo. That's right. Don't put nobody else in
Is that that's the stuff?
Put nobody.
Yeah, that's his stuff, Harp?
Yep.
That's his stuff, his wallet, keys and stuff? Harp! Yeah, that's his.
That car went right in front of us and we almost got hit, bro. What's going on? I can't hear you. What's going on? What's going on? Huh? You what? All right, hold on. Let me stop somewhere. Hold on. What happened? What? You fell. What happened? Can you move at all?
I can't move.
Well, how your leg is all the way up there?
I understand you. Listen,
All right, I can't move you, so I have to hold on. I'm gonna have to go get an ambulance.
listen, no.
Huh?
Yes, but understand.
I have to. Go ahead.
I fall. I cannot move my arm.
All right, do not move. I can see moving your arm.
No.
Okay.
Look at my hand.
All right, hold on.
Oh. Lift my hand.
Hold on, I'm gonna call an ambulance. I'm asking you that you were standing up in the back when you fell. Huh? Listen, I got an ambulance coming for you, all right? Just give me 1 second. I'm taking you there right now. All right, we made it here. We'll get you out in 2 seconds. So if he really fell, and we're not even moving until the ambulance gets here, we could just in case.
Okay, do you want us to help you?
There's no thing in my way. Listen.
What happened?
There's no thing in my way. I cannot move.
Yeah, no.
I cannot move. I want one leg.
Just be careful. He was kicking the door and everything. All right, ready?
Look, if you're gonna drive me, just car door.
All right.
Yep.
I like that.
What's the hand?
All right.
Alright, now, almost there. You're almost there. You gotta get your shoulders out. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Stand up. There we go. Alright. How you making up? Ready? 1, Actually, don't go get that shit.
Get the
Yeah, we ain't. Hey, bitch, what's going on, man? Bitch, what's going on? Huh?
You ain't cracking. You just drink too much. No, you drink too much.
Listen, he was fine walking. All right. Like I said, he was kicking that door, no problem.
Hold the tackle. Hold the tackle. Hold on. Ready?
I can't feel it.
Sit up.
Oh my God, yo.
Yeah, sit up. You're doing extra. Sit up. Did you have a lot to drink? Any drugs?
No.
You feel like harming yourself? Okay. Any medical conditions we need to know about? All right.
Drink this pocket over here.
Okay, buddy. Come on, you look at that. Cool, brother. Good.
Put your hands out.
Put your hands in front.
Okay.
Don't move your head, guys. Gotta take off your earrings.
Neck hurt.
Don't move your head.
Oh, you're sitting all awkward. Even if something hurts, sit upright.
If I could, I would.
Sit up. Go ahead.
Ow.
Hold on a second.
Oh my God, yo. My neck hurt. I can't pick it up. I can't reach.
No, we don't want you to do anything. Just worry about it.
Paralyzed forever, not by crime, not by accident, but by a system that forgot he was human. They laughed, they doubted, they dragged his broken body like luggage, then blamed alcohol. 45 million won't restore what he lost. And yet, the officer who crippled him, reinstated, back in uniform. What does it say when you can break a man's spine and still clock in on Monday? This wasn't just misconduct. This was cruelty, codified, and it should haunt every badge behind it.